Digital marketing is one of the blooming technology for promotion of businesses, their blogs, videos, website and more. Still, if you are not using digital marketing, you need to understand digital marketing strategies to boost up your business. Here are some of the tips for your digital marketing. 1. Create quality content and videos. It will help to educate the audience about your business. 2. Build best website for your business. 3. Deliver what people want. Write down the topics which potential customer wants and are mostly searched. 4. Be connected with forums and community board. 5. Take advantages of PPC paid ads. Advertisements are the great help to increase your business. 6. Develop a proper social networking strategy. 7. Define your competition, to understand which things to be completed and what targets to be achieved. 8. Optimize your website for mobile to improve your SEO ranking. 9. Work with influencers to grow your visibility and engagement. 10. Add social media buttons to your website. 11. Explore new ways to increase conversations. 12. Reduce the number of steps for the customer to reach out to you. 13. Start a video marketing campaign. 14. Choose the right targeted area to increase your account reach. 15. Test your options and optimize campaigns with different type of audience to know better results. Keep a balanced track between followers and following in your account. Digital marketing will surely prove to be a successful path for your business.